Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, would you please rise as our nation's colors are presented by the Hoover High School Junior Air Force ROTC, and we ask that you remain standing as the pledge is given by SGA parliamentarian Rose Hoover, our national anthem and alma mater.
As performed by the Hoover Marching Buccaneer Band.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.